unbox my So Close to What picture disc with me. Here it is. Oh my god. Dude, this is sick. It even comes in this little, like, thing. Okay, I took it out of the case, and now let's take it out of here. So here's side A, side B. And then this is just this, and then you flip it over and it has a chocolate. This comes with 2 bonus chalks, better than I was in Call My Bluff, so that's exciting. I am in love with this. Like, oh my god. It's so nice. And there it goes.